Good morning, everyone. I am Najwa Aisyah Azhar. On this occasion, I will discuss money, its role, history, and impact on individuals and society. Understanding money is very important for making the right financial decisions. Let's get started. What is money? Money is any item or medium of exchange that symbolize perceived value. As a result, it is accepted by people for the payment of goods and services, as well as for the repayment of loans. Economists rely on money to facilitate transaction and to power financial growth. Typically, it is economists who define money, where it comes from, and what is worth. Here are the multifaceted characteristics of money. Money through the ages. The history of money has developed rapidly, starting with barter, namely the direct exchange of goods, which was limited by mutually compatible needs. Then commodity money such as gold and silver was used because it had intrinsic value. Around 600 BC, coins were introduced to make transactions easier. In the 7th century, paper money appeared in China, more practical than coins. Today, we use fiat money whose value is based on trust in the government, and most recently, digital currencies such as Bitcoin are increasingly popular and offer a new alternative in the financial system. Money and society. Money plays an important role in society. Money drives economic growth by increasing trade and investment. Additionally, the distribution of wealth affects individuals' opportunities and their quality of life. Government also use money to regulate inflation and support economic growth through policy. Lastly, money influence consumer behavior such as how we spend, save, and invest. The future of money. What's next for money? Going forward, money will continue to evolve. Digital payments and e-wallets are increasingly replacing cash, while cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are beginning to challenge the traditional financial system. Financial inclusion is providing greater access to banking services, and more people are seeking sustainable investment that focus on ethics and environmental impact. To conclude, money is not only a means of transaction, but also has a huge impact on the economy, society, and our personal life. Understanding its history, role, and how to manage money wisely is essential to achieving financial stability in the future. As technology evolves, the way we interact with money will continue to change. With the right knowledge, we can make smarter and more sustainable financial decisions. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this material is useful for all of us. Hello everyone, I am Najwa Aisyah Azhar. Today we're going to explore one of the most beautiful spots in Indonesia, located in Wonosobo, Central Java, Bukit Sikunir. This stunning hill is known for its breathtaking views, and if you are someone who enjoys nature and adventure, Bukit Sikunir is a must-visit destination. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about where Bukit Sikunir is located. Its situation, the Dieng Plateau, a highland area in Wonosobo, Central Java. The area is famous for its cool climate, tea plantation, and remarkable landscape. Bukit Sikunir stands out because of its extraordinary view of the sunrise and the surrounding mountains. Reaching the top of Bukit Sikunir is an adventure in itself. To start, visitors usually begin the trek in the early hours of the morning, as the highlight of the hike is watching the sunrise from the top. The hike takes about 30 to 90 minutes, depending on your pace. Though the trail can be a bit steep, it is manageable for most people. Along the way, you'll pass through beautiful greenery, and you'll feel the cool mountain air, which makes the journey even more refreshing. Now, let's talk about the main attraction, the sunrise. Bukit Sikunir is famous for offering one of the best sunrise view in Java. As you reach the peak, you'll witness the sky turning shade of orange, pink, and purple, with the sun slowly rising behind the surrounding mountains, including Mount Sindoro and Mount Sumbing. It's a magical moment that will stay with you forever. Why it's special? Aside from the stunning sunrise, Bukit Sikunir offers a unique and serene atmosphere. The tranquility of the area, combined with the panoramic views of the Dieng Plateau, makes it a perfect spot for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the daily life. The view of the valley and the mountains from the top is an incredible sight, especially in the early morning mist. Tips for visiting Bukit Sikunir. If you are planning to visit Bukit Sikunir, here are a few tips. 1. Arrive early. The best way to experience the sunrise is to get there early, around 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. 2. Wear comfortable shoes. The trail can be slippery in some places, so be sure to wear sturdy shoes. 3. Bring a jacket. The temperatures can be quite chilly, so don't forget to bring a warm jacket. 4. Camera ready. You'll want to capture these spectacular views, so make sure your camera or phone is ready to go. To sum up, Bukit Sikunir is a beautiful, rewarding destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're there for the sunrise, the trek, or simply to experience the natural beauty of the area, Bukit Sikunir offers an unforgettable experience. So, if you ever find yourself in Wonosobo, don't forget to visit this incredible hill. You can go ahead and take the journey. It's worth every step. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation has inspired you to visit Bukit Sikunir.